Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you're new to this channel, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing and don't forget to click on the bell notification so that you always get notified each time I upload a new video. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for always coming back. So, guys, today I'll be showing you how I made this yummy delicious coconut rice you're seeing here. This is not the regular coconut rice recipe that you know. This is coconut rice with a difference. So if you want to know how I made this, keep on watching, guys, and let me introduce my ingredients to you. So to make your own coconut rice, here is what I use to prepare mine. For my protein, I'm using goat meat, and here is my goat meat. And I'll be using the fresh coconut. I'll be breaking this coconut myself, and then I will blend it and extract the coconut milk, and that's what I'll be using to prepare my coconut rice. You can use the store-bought one, but see, this one is far cheaper and more healthy. So here I'm using my regular rice. I'm using the long grain rice. And here is my crayfish. I will not be adding more crayfish to my coconut rice because I don't want the crayfish taste to overshadow the taste of the coconut. Okay. And here I have my chopped onions. Here is my chopped onions I'll be using for the rice too. And I'm also using this coconut essence. I'll be adding this just for extra flavor. And here is my pepper, my scotch bonnet pepper, my atarodo. So now, guys, we are going to start by cooking our meat. And in my pot, I'm going to be adding in my meat. I'll go in with my pepper. And then I'll be adding in my chopped onions. I'll be going in with my onions. And I'll be going in with my seasoning cube. I'm using the Maggi Niger pot. I'm going to be adding in water now. I'll be adding in enough water because I'll be using the stock for the rice. Okay, just the stock and the coconut milk is what I'll be using for the rice. So I'm just going to stir this now, and I'll cover this pot, allow the meat to cook for 5 minutes. 5 minutes because I will still be cooking the meat with the rice together with the rice. Okay, you're going to see what I'm talking about. And guys, 5 minutes later, I'm going to be bringing down this meat now. If at this point you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and don't forget to like this video and leave your comments for me in the comment section. Okay, so now in a dried pot, I'll be going in with my vegetable oil, and then I'm going to be adding in my coconut essence. So now that our oil is hot, I'll be going in now with my chopped onions. I'm going to stir this now, and then I'll add in my pepper. I'm going to stir this now, and I will allow this to fry for just 2 minutes. And 2 minutes later, I'll be going in with my seasoning cube. I'll go in with my crayfish now. And then I'll be going in now with my pepper soup spice. If you have not tried pepper soup spice in your coconut rice, then you'll be missing out a lot. I want you to give it a try, okay? Give it a try and then come back and give me your feedback. I'm going to give this a very good mix, and then I'll be adding in my coconut milk now. I'll be going in with my meat stock. I'm going to stir this and I'll be testing for salt. I'll be adding in more seasoning cube to this now. I'll stir this now and I'll cover the pot, allow this to come up to a boil. So guys, I'll be going in with my rice now. So guys, I have this small stock fish leaf. I'll be adding it to this my coconut rice, and then I'll be adding in my meat now. I will now go in with my rice, my washed rice. I'm going to mix this very well, and then I will cover this pot and I will allow this to cook on medium to low heat. And guys, this is what we have. Our coconut rice is ready. This coconut rice came out so yummy. I want you to try out this recipe and then come back and give me your feedback. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If at this point you have not subscribed to our channel, you have not liked this video, please like the video and leave your comment for me in the comment section. Okay, don't forget to share the video and do all that good stuff to this channel. See how yummy and delicious our coconut rice is looking like. Just give this a try, okay? You're going to enjoy it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.